For the demo purpose, we have been uploaded two images in a invoice folder. Okay, to just to give a demo. Once you have been uploaded or you have been loaded documents in your Google Drive, what are the things you can do with that? Okay, with that document. If you select one of the document, right click, right click, you have a set of options like you can preview that one. Okay, just for a view. Okay, then you can open with any of the other apps like Google Docs or other apps, related apps, where you can also open an image. The most important thing why we are loading into a Google Drive is to share with your colleagues or your teammates, right? You would like to share with your teammates. Two way you can share. One is to get a link. Okay, you can copy the link. If you click on this get link, if you click on that, you can able to copy this particular link. Okay, you can copy that particular link and you can share with the any of the platforms like through WhatsApp or any other messaging platform you can share. Then second way sharing a document is a click on a share. Okay, right click on that particular document, click on a share button here. Once you click on a share, it is asking with whom you would like to share. Okay, add a people and group. Okay, if you like to add, you need to know about their Google account or Gmail IDs. You need to know. We have one more Gmail ID. We'll use that Beta Academy 365 at the rate gmail.com. I would like to share with this particular person. I say enter. Once I type the that one, I say enter. Okay, this is a person. You can enter so many person. You can keep enter, write a Gmail ID and keep enter. Okay, so that you can add n number of the person. You can share with them. And here two options are there. Here on the right hand side you can see editor button is there. Here three options are available for that particular person. He can just view. You can give a authority like he can edit also. He can edit. If he is a teammate, he has a right to edit. Then you can tell him to edit. Okay, if you just want to him to just to view, not to be edited your document, then you say viewer. So he will not be able to edit any of the thing. He can just view your document. Okay, commenter is nothing but he can just comment on your document. He'll not be able to edit. He can write a comment on wherever the corrections are there. Third one is the editor. Editor is nothing but complete authority. He can check, he can comment, as well as he can change the document whatever there in that. Okay, and you can write a message also like please check, or like that. You can write a message what purpose I'm sharing this particular document with him. Okay, then you can say send. Okay, you can say send so that it will be shared with the whom you have been connected. Okay, whom you have been given that email id, that particular email id, it will be get shared. Okay, so that is a way you can share the document. That's the one purpose. And get the link in the sense directly you can get the link. Okay, get the link here. You can say that copy the link. Okay, and you can give a restrictions. Okay, anyone with the link or only the person you have been added. Okay, only the person you already added to your account, only them can be seen, or anyone like that. You can give the access to your link. When you are sharing a link, you can copy that particular thing. Okay, it will be copied. You can go to your WhatsApp or your any messenger platform. You can paste it and you can share with the that particular link. And third one is a like a move to. Okay, move to in the sense we can move this particular document to the other folder. Like if I say move to, it will show that okay to which folder you would like to move. I will select here in my drive two folders are there. I would like to select a quote, move to the quote. Or you can create a one more folder and move to that particular folder also. Okay, we can say that move. Okay, it has been moved to the, that particular document has been moved to the quotes. You can see it has been moved to the quotes now. Previously it was move to invoice, not quotes. Here in my drive, invoice, move. Like that we can move to the, from folder to folder also. Your documents can be moved to folder to folder. And add star, in the sense if it is a very important document, only important documents, what we can do, we can make it as a star. We will be added as a star, so that it will be considered as a one of the important document. Okay, then it comes like a rename. Okay, rename is nothing but, for example, you like to rename the, for that particular name of the abstract one is that, instead of that I will say beta. Okay, so this is about a renaming a document also we can do. Okay, then view the details, which kind of folder it is, everything you can get. And make a copy. For example, you would like to make a copy of the same document. Okay, that will, that one also be possible. You can create a copy of the document to edit. One will be original, one will be a duplicate, like that. Okay, and report abuse, in the sense you are telling to the Google, it is not the kind of thing what I have been looked for. And you can download that one any point of time. For example, you are not in a, you logged in your account in a some other PC, you would like to download and edit, then you can download that particular document, again you can load it back. And remove is nothing but, you can delete it. Okay, right click, if you select a remove, it will be deleted from your drive. Okay, these are the some of the options available for one person in a Google Drive. Okay, major we are using a share and get a link. Okay, and rename star, as well as a download. Okay, these are the major. And make a copy we are using repeatedly, because we can do a better teamwork if, by using these options. Okay, this is about a sharing side of the your document which have been uploaded in a Google Drive.